You guys are going to want to stick around for this one today. We got a good giveaway. A good giveaway.
Huge. Massive.
The biggest, the best. We've got some new parts, some restocks, some popular things, and a 10% off coupon. But you got to stick around for all that.
Yes. All right, as you saw, today is February the 11th, 2022. This is a Friday video from the Nissan Parts CC HQ in beautiful Olympia, Washington, up in the top left corner of the United States. I want to say welcome to all of you, and especially to our new viewers that are joining us from around the globe.
There'll be new ones on this one today.
Oh yeah.
So make sure you hit that, stop and hit the subscribe button real quick, because if you don't, that's one rule for the giveaway today. So just do it now so you don't forget.
There's a lot of rules, so pause it, get a piece of paper and a pen, because you're gonna want to jot these down.
Yeah, we'll get into that though. We'll get into that soon. We're not gonna jump quite yet.
Saving saving the best for somewhere close to the last part of the video.
So we got a lot of restocks, a lot of high demand parts. You SR20 guys already know what this is. Cam angle sensor, cam position sensor, whatever you want to call it. It's electronic. They go bad. They'll create issues. If you still got your original, I'd be interested to know about it. But these are really common. Back in stock, we got a pile of these. So get them while you can. Make sure you snag the 10% off coupon. Yeah. I'm gonna break that one for you. R32 window amp. Having window issues with your R32? And it goes the same for, I know the S14 ones we stock. It's a different part number. These were very vehicle specific. I did read up online a little bit. People were trying different models in cars and they wouldn't work. So if you need an R32 window amp, I know that these can sometimes be hard to find. We've got a few of these in stock right now. So be sure to get yourself one. What you got over there in front of you?
Well, this is pretty obvious.
These are awesome.
This is the halogen equivalent headlamp for the R34.
There you go.
And these are gorgeous. These are something that we've just gotten in.
Yep.
Two different types, halogen and xenon. Russell has the xenon one sitting over there.
I got the fancy ones. And these do have the ballast and everything on them. They come with the bulbs, connectors, the little adjustment gears that go on the back. And this is the early model headlight. From the research I did, the later models didn't have the electronic leveling system on them. So make sure you get the correct ones. We do have the early models. I'm not even sure if the other ones are available, but we are making a big push on R34 parts. So if you are an R34 owner, gonna be an R34 owner, hit us up, send us an email, let us know what you need, and we'll do some digging and some research. And there are lots of parts available for R34s.
Yeah,
they're the newest of all of them. So shall we dive in to the 180SX Kouki taillight giveaway?
Yes.
As you know, lower garnish is discontinued. We've got taillights in stock, so if you're looking to just snag a set before they're all gone, feel free to do that. Feel free to snag that 10% off coupon from the end of the video. Tom's got a center lamp here. The center lamp doesn't get enough love. It's usually the tail lamps
No, that's why I
themselves.
grabbed it.
Yeah.
Usually it's the tail lamps, because the tail lamps are, are red and black and sexy.
Yeah.
But we thought we'd bring this in here just to show you guys just another part of that kit.
Yeah, and we have the RPS 13 garnishes, the carbon fiber garnish that goes on here that's got the gold kind of tone to it. I love those. I like them without it too. It doesn't matter to me. Kouki taillights are where it's at.
Right.
But if you want to win a set, here's the lowdown. You're gonna guess a number between 1 and 20,000. Hold up 20,000 fingers. 1 in 20,000. All the rules are up here on the screen for you. Your comment is gonna be your entry. 1 comment per person for the entry. So if you comment 5 times, we're gonna pick which one we like, and it's not gonna be the one closest to whatever the number is. Only comments here on YouTube will count, so don't comment on Facebook, don't comment on Instagram. You can comment on those videos, just don't comment your entry and expect for it to count. You must be a subscriber, so if you haven't subscribed like I asked you to in the beginning, pause video, hit subscribe. Hopefully you stick around after the giveaway. You must be 18 years or older to participate. So we're gonna verify that and get real personal. 1 week. So Thursday the 17th, so 6 days actually, not quite a week.
Question.
Yes.
I'm a customer. I live in Germany. Can I comment?
Jump in, let's go.
Wow, we'll ship them to Germany?
We'll do it. We'll do it. Let's go worldwide.
All right, worldwide.
Let's go, guys.
If you're on the ship to list on the website,
yeah,
Russell says we'll ship it.
We'll do it.
So Germany, Switzerland, Finland, Norway, Sweden,
UK,
France,
Australia.
You're losing your mind.
New Zealand. Okay. I gotta give a shout out to Australia followers and fans and customers because you guys are one of our top demographics, which surprises me, being that we just recently started shipping there. So thank you if you're from Australia, New Zealand,
wherever you are.
Yeah, we really appreciate you guys being here. But we will announce a winner next Friday. Make sure your comment is in by the 17th. Because if you comment on the 18th and you don't win and yours could have been the winner, you're gonna be bummed out. Now how we're gonna figure out what we're basing our number off of, the guest number, we don't even know what it is. Someone who is gonna comment on this video, that's gonna be the number, but they don't even know they're guessing the number. We do, we know who it is, but it's a surprise. So it's gonna be a surprise for everybody. So, and we'll reveal all that in next week's video, who is who, but guess your favorite number between 1 and 20,000. You know, that's it. What's your favorite number between 20,000? It's a lot of numbers.
1 and 20. Oh, I thought you were asking me.
Oh, go ahead. What would your guess be?
I would do 13,333.
13,333. Okay, it's pretty good. Kind of.
Or 180. That's another good one. Those are not going to be the winning numbers. So I wouldn't even bother. I mean, maybe they are. I don't know.
Yeah. So if you are looking to snag up a set of these and not wait for the giveaway, you want to go ahead and make sure you get a set. 10% off code this week is Kouki. Kouki will get you 10% off site-wide. So if you have taillights, you're not even worried about them. You can buy anything you want, 10% off, like this cam sensor or this R32 window amplifier.
Anything on the website.
Headlights. The Xenon headlights, guys, they are on back order. We sold out of these. We didn't see it coming. No. So apologies to anybody who's waiting on a back order. If you jumped on those real quick, they went real fast. So, right. But that's it. That's it for me.
How do you spell that discount code, Russell?
It is Kouki.
Very good.
Kouki.
Now, let me just say that this discount code and all discount codes, they're not retroactive. So if you place an order yesterday or a week ago, or if you got a part that's on back order that's been sitting on back order for a couple of months, we cannot apply a discount code retroactively. So it's good starting from 3 p.m. today.
Right now, when you're watching.
A week.
Yeah.
Ends on 2/18.
Well,
sometime on 2/18, unofficially.
Yeah. Go get something with the coupon code. Don't be hitting us up for your old order. Buy something new and use it.
Yes.
Don't feel bad about
Treat
it.
yourself.
I don't feel bad about it. That's it.
That's it. That's all we got.
That's Friday. Giveaway. 180SX taillights. All you gotta do is comment in the number.
Yeah, just pick a number, comment it. On YouTube only.
Don't post anything funny in your post, like a link or something bad with language. YouTube will take your comment down. We won't even see it.
Yes.
So I'm just
a number.
telling you right now, YouTube ain't got time for your games. Funny man.
All right, go enjoy your weekend, and we will be back next week.
Yes, we will. Later, guys.
See ya.